Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. Today I'm going to talk about fish curry without any oil. So first I'm going to fry the fish without any oil, and then I'm going to make a fish masala without any oil. So for this I'm using 4 mackerel fish. So I have cut them and cleaned them, and I put salt and turmeric in it, and now I'm going to put it in a pan and just fry them. So as you see, there's no oil in the pan, and the fish has salt and turmeric. It's been soaking in salt and turmeric after I cleaned them about 30 minutes. So I have about 4 big mackerel. After I fry them, then later I'm going to use this salt and turmeric water to make the fish masala. Masala, in this case, fish masala means just the spicy fish. So this will take a while. It will take maybe between 20 to 30 minutes for all these pieces to get fried properly, and for this you will not be needing any oil, zero oil needed, and in fact this will give you some oil back. So let me fry this. So our fish has been cooking for a while, and you can see it's half done. It's not fully cooked. So the trick to cook it in zero oil is you cook it in very low heat, so it takes a little bit longer time. So whenever you want to cook it in less oil, you need to put the lid off and on, and also put it in low heat, so that way you don't require any oil. So this will be cooking, and it's releasing some oil already. So about, I would say about 10 more minutes. So as you see, our fish fry is all done. Now I'm going to pick it all up in one container, and then I will get ready to make the spicy fish. So here you see our fried mackerel is done, and it gave me a lot of oil, which I'm going to use very little oil from the mackerel itself, so no extra oil to do the spicy fish. So it's fried really good, and this fry is done without any oil, zero oil. So as you see, the fish fry is done, and it gave me about this much oil, so I'm going to use a pinch of it from this one to make the spicy fish. So I'm using the same pan which I used for frying the fish, and I took out the oil, so there is no oil, and in that I put 1 teaspoon cumin seed and little bit asafoetida. So I'm going to make this one little bit brown, just long enough so that it's just little roasted. Seems very much roasted. To this I'm going to add the fish which I just fried. And to this I'm going to add little bit of turmeric, just a little bit, and 2 tablespoons of onion, ginger, garlic paste. So after I add all the spices, then I'm going to add this 1 cup of water to it. But first I will add the spices. So when you put the spices, make sure you do not break the fish. So you can just add the water, then add the spices. Or you can do other ways, make the gravy then add the fish so the fish doesn't get broken. So in this case my onion, ginger, garlic were already cooked, so that way I don't have to cook them again. So I'm going to add little bit of fish masala. This you can get it in any Indian or Pakistani store. It's a ready-made fish masala. And I'm going to add little bit of roasted cumin and little bit of garam masala, and you can add tomato if you want to. I'm not going to add any tomato. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaves. So to make this fish, I did not add any oil, but this fish gave me a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to cover this up and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in low heat. About 10 minutes because fish was already cooked. So you see our fish masala is ready and it's really yummy, and you can have it with your brown rice or bread. It's extremely tasty fish masala, and it took zero oil to cook it. Just some basic spices and zero oil. So share the recipe with your friends and family in your Facebook, in your Twitter, on your Instagram, on your Pinterest, wherever you please. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. I will be seeing you with many more healthy, yummy recipes and many other videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.